Okay, one of the last ones. This is a nested if function. And so we can write if statements within if statements within if statements and have Excel keep looking for that true statement until it exhausts all the means and then finally return a false statement for us. And so basically that's what we're going to do here. We are going to look at the student's average grade and compare it to um, the typical letter grade. 89.5 is an A, 79.5 is a B, so on and so forth. Okay, so we're going to write this nested if statement by hand because it's kind of hard to use the function argument box on this one. So just keep up. Don't forget to put your commas in where your commas need to go. Okay, so I'll go slow. So what we're doing is we're going to start out with an if. I'm going to hit the tab, and our first logic test is I want to look at E57, and I want to know, is it greater than or equal to 89.5? If this is true, so comma, there's my logic test. Looking at his grade and telling me, is it greater than or equal to 89.5? If this is true, I'm going to put quotation and I'm going to give you an A, comma. If it's false, look again. So we say if and hit the tab and open up another logic test. And so, and at some point, you just have to start typing in the actual cell reference. So if E57 is greater than or equal to, and what was the next one? 79.5. There's my logic test, comma. If this is true, I'm going to give that student a B, comma. If it's false, look again. So here's my next if. So if E57 is greater than or equal to, what's the next one? 69.5. If this logic statement is true, I'm going to give that student a C. If it's false, look again. So here's my next if. So my logic statement is E57 is greater than or equal to 59.5, comma. I'm going to give that student a D. Whoop, it better be a big D, huh? If that statement is false, there's only one other grade I can give the student, right? And that's going to be an F. Okay, because I'm at the bottom of the barrel. When you hit the F, you're at the bottom of the barrel. Now, for everything you opened, you must close. And so I tell students to close the parentheses until you see the dark black one. When you reach the dark black one, you have hit the end. When you've got 4 of them closed, hit enter and let's see if it works. Drag it down. Wow, it works. You have successfully completed your Project 5 for Excel. If you have any questions, let me know.